Hello everyone, today we're diving into the features of the Allewie queen-size platform bed frame. A perfect blend of style and functionality. This bed frame boasts a fabric-upholstered headboard and sturdy wooden slats, eliminating the need for a box spring while providing robust support for up to 800 pounds. Its minimalist design is complemented by a noise-free experience, thanks to the EVA mute bar that prevents any squeaking or creaking. Assembly is a breeze with clear instructions, allowing you to set it up in about an hour, and every part is conveniently labeled and packed in one box. The frame's heavy-duty support feet come with plastic plugs to protect your floor, ensuring durability and stability. Designed to fit snugly, it accommodates mattresses ranging from 8 to 15 inches thick, making it versatile for both memory foam and spring mattresses. Whether you're updating your bedroom decor or seeking a reliable bed frame, the Allewie queen-size platform bed frame offers a seamless blend of comfort and practicality. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.